Hi guys, so this is Satya. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to discuss about coronavirus. Some places it's called as coronavirus. Why I specifically selecting the subject coronavirus? Because so all of you know how many problems we faced in the lockdown period and how it has been affected by the people during this lockdown period and how the people are facing during this pandemic situation. So friends, here I am describing what is coronavirus, how it is spread and what are the symptoms and what are the prevention of COVID-19 and finally the conclusion of coronavirus. Coronavirus, which is commonly called as COVID-19, is an infectious disease which causes illness in the respiratory system on the human bodies. It is the new virus that is impacting the whole world badly as it is spreading primarily through contact with the person. COVID-19 was first identified during December 2019 in Wuhan city of China. In March 2020, the World Health Organization WHO declared the COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic. COVID-19 is now a cause of huge number of deaths across the world. Till now, no proper drug or vaccine has been developed for treatment of this disease. However, the clinical trials and research is being carried on for the development of drug and vaccine. Now, how does COVID-19 spread? See friends, it spreads from person to person among those in close contact. So that is within about 6 feet or 2 meters. The virus spreads by respiratory droplets generated from the cough or sneeze of a COVID-19 patient. Now, we will discuss about the symptoms of COVID-19. COVID-19 symptoms can be very mild to severe. Some people have no symptoms. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough and breathing problem. Apart from this, symptoms like fatigue, sore throat, muscle pain and loss of taste or smell can also be seen coronavirus patients. So these are the symptoms of COVID-19. Now, what are the prevention of COVID-19? The prevention of COVID-19, number 1, wash hand properly with soap or sanitizer. And number 2, avoid unnecessary outings on public places. And number 3, maintain a distance of at least 5 to 6 feet from a sick person or if somebody has symptoms. And number 4, maintain proper hygiene and cleanness. And number 5, cover your nose and mouth while coughing or sneezing. And number 6, avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. And number 7, wear the mask. And now we will discuss about the conclusion. How you conclude this entire description of coronavirus is one of the most severe issues that are facing by people around the world. It is necessary that we come out of this situation as early as possible. So people should stay informed and maintain a good hygiene. Together, we all can bring an end to this pandemic. So this is about the coronavirus. So I should have to thank our Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir because during this lockdown period, how the central government react and what are the activities they carried to save our country, that and all very appreciable. So once again, I thank to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir ji. So friends, so this is about the coronavirus. If you really like the video, share the video, like the video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.